What's up, guys? We're gonna do a little bike check. First we're gonna start with the Verde Eon 2012. As you can see, it's not easy to see. Hold on. Better idea. Way better idea. Okay. Now we got stock bars, stock stem. So we got the original Eon sticker. We got stock brake line. We got a hyper front rim. We got Odyssey cranks with demolition pedals. We got a custom made seat off of a Little People. We got an Eastern back rim. And that's pretty much it for this one. And well, we got 25-man gearing. Let me grab the hyper. Okay guys, so here we got the Hypermark Spin Series. Alright, we got the stock Hyper back rim. We got Verde Eon front rim. We got a aftermarket 3-piece crank in it out of a DK step up. We got the stock seats. We got mosh forks changed to sealed forks instead of just the kinds that are bolted on. We got GT stem. We got GT bars. And we got logo pedals. And we actually have different gearing. It's pretty 2610. And it needs to be right now, otherwise and hopefully in the morning I'll do some riding videos of the Hyper. I didn't get a chance to ride it yet, so hopefully we'll get that done and get it tuned the way I want it. And that's about it. Okay, YouTube, these are my bikes. Now we're done.